In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to install and use Gemini on iPhone. Let's get started. First, to install Gemini, launch your App Store, search for the app Gemini. Once app appears, click on the cloud icon or the option of Get. Your Face ID will be enabled or you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password. Once you complete this process, it will start downloading. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Now use your Google account to log into it. Once you log in, you'll be directed to this page. To start using Gemini, just scroll down to Ask Gemini section and type in your prompt or question. Once you are ready, hit the send button. Clicking on the plus option, you can use files, photos, and camera. Likewise, click on this icon. You can use these features given over here. To interact with Gemini, just type a question and wait for it to think. You can also listen to the response by tapping the speaker icon. If you'd like to talk to Gemini, tap the microphone icon to speak directly. To start a new chat, tap the new chat icon at the top left, or use a menu button to access your past chats and search through them. That's how you install and use Gemini on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.